So before we close on the introductory section, let us look at the challenges that we administration of labor laws in Kenya. One of the challenges is high levels of informal employment. But in Kenya, informal employment comes to 8% employment. 20 is informal. The labor laws in the sector becomes a challenge to the government, challenge to the of labor laws. The challenge is enforcement is sometimes weak in rural areas. Enforcement is weak in rural areas and remote areas. Because sometimes those areas lack government officers who can go and help in the administration of labor laws. The government has not been able to provide the labor officers into those areas, which can now then go and assist in the administration of labor. The other challenge is the emerging issues, new types of work that is existing that has not been put in the labor laws. Like, for example, the gig work. Example, like the Uber drivers are not fully covered under labor laws, although there is work in progress to deal with those issues. Then another challenge is ongoing need for gender equality improvements. The ongoing need for gender equality improvements and protection of marginalized groups is still a challenge. So we have gender equality, the rights of women in employment, and how do we protect marginalized groups in employment using the labor laws. So that is still a challenge that is giving, it is raising issues in the administration of labor laws in Kenya. In conclusion, Kenya's regulatory framework is strong on paper and largely aligned with the International Labour Organization standards. But like many developing countries, it faces challenges in enforcement. It faces challenges in enforcement. There are informal. Most of the work is informal. And it has also a challenge in adapting to new work realities. So the labor laws are not yet been adapted to new type of work, new work procedures. So they need to be adjusted, but as time goes, we hope and believe they will be adjusted. So that is an introduction.